We've said in the past as to why you should take cold showers and the potential benefits you get from it. But how do you take cold showers? In this video, we give you 5 tips to helping you take cold showers. Number 1. Adjust to cold showers. Taking a cold shower instantly without going through a period to adjust can often lead to discomfort and potential issues. Instead, if you are sensitive to cold water, try to adjust gradually, either by starting off with warm water and ending it with cold, or alternatively, gradually reduce the temperature over time, slowly lowering the temperature each day until you hit your target goal. This will help your body adjust to the temperature change, and it will reduce the shock factor, which if not controlled can have health issues. Number 2. Do breathing exercises. Our breathing patterns can have a significant impact on how our body adjusts to varying conditions and environments. Breathing is also essential when dealing with the cold, as it helps to send signals of calmness to the brain, helping us physically cope with the temperatures. This is fundamental in cold showers, where our breathing patterns can quicken and become irregular as we feel the shock of the cold on our body. If left uncontrolled, this can cause a heart attack in people with a weak heart, so it's vital to take precaution and prepare by controlling your breathing. Number 3. Prepare yourself mentally. Just as breathing can help prepare you for cold showers, equally valuable is preparing yourself mentally. As you breathe, focus on your breath and concentrate the mind to be focused, understanding full well what conditions you are entering. This will help significantly to reduce the shock when entering the water, and you'll find you adjust more quickly and easily. Concentration should be maintained throughout the shower, making sure that you maintain your stable condition. Number 4. Make it a habit. If you have a cold shower once every so often, it will be difficult to adjust to the cold water and you will feel discomfort each time. However, make it into a habit and you'll find that you quickly attune yourself to cold showers each day, making it less of an anomaly in your routine and instead becoming part of the routine itself. So if you take cold showers, try to do it every day. You'll find the process to take them much easier over time, even if at first it is an uncomfortable sensation. Number 5. Take quicker showers. When you take cold showers, try not to stay in the shower for an extended period of time. This will help you avoid potential risks that might come together with the exposure to the cold, most obviously pneumonia. However, this doesn't mean to not take a proper shower. You should still be focused on cleaning yourself properly, just in a more efficient manner. So take cold showers and feel the many benefits it can have in your life. Are you taking cold showers, and if so, do you follow any of these tips? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.